Hello everyone, and now in this video we'll be discussing the expected cutoff of our Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so as you can watch my previous videos, if you are from different states. Okay, I have made the video on different, I think around 9 states I have made. So you can watch those video by visiting the channel, and you can also watch my all India quota expected cutoff, which I will attach in the I button. Okay, and this video is in English because most of the students in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh do not understand Hindi, so that is why I will be speaking this video for them in English. Okay, so just we will be starting with the expected cutoff. What can be the expected cutoff in the state of Tamil Nadu? So I'll be just taking the analysis of last year, that is 2020 NEET 2020 cutoffs for Tamil Nadu state. So the scenario for last year was that, like OC category, the last marks or the last sheet for that category was 598 marks, and for BC it was 554, and BCM it was 527, MBC category was 521, SC was 443, and SCA was 375, and ST was 346. Okay, so this was the last year's expected last year's closing marks for the specific category, the allotted seats. So this was the last marks. So for this year, what you can accept for each category, what will be the expected marks where you are safe. So for the safe score for OC category, if you are from OC category, you can consider 580 plus should be the safe score for the OC category, and for BC category the 540 plus will be the safe score, and for the BCM category 510 plus, if you are scoring, you are on the safer side, and MBC it will be 505 plus. Okay, and if you are from SC category, then you have to take the score of 425 plus, and if you are from SCA category, then you should be above 360 plus. Okay, and the next last category, that is the ST category, if you are, then it should be 330 plus. Okay, so actually for the general category, you can say, that is OC category, if you are above 580 or 575 plus, you are on the safer side. Okay, and for BC you can say 535 plus. Okay, or plus or 5 minus marks you can consider. Okay, so this was the scenario for the last year's Tamil Nadu. I will attach the screenshot of the last year's closing marks. You can just see that also. Okay, so this was the closing marks for Tamil Nadu. Now let's move on to the next state, which is Andhra Pradesh. So what will be the expected cutoff for this state? So as I have the details of the last year's, this is the details of the last year of Andhra Pradesh 2020. What was the closing marks? Okay, so for there is a category O general. Okay, the last mark was 561. Okay, closing marks for this category, and rank was 41,472. EWS category general, that was the marks was 551, rank was 48,590. And now there is another category, BCD general, the closing marks was 531, BCA it was 510, BCB general 527, BCC general it was 490, BCE general it was 474, SC general it was 443, ST general it was 439, and there is one more category, CAP. It is the closing mark was for this category was 536, and the last is PH. The category, the marks was 181. So this was the last year scenario. So for this year, if you are from general category and you are belonging to Andhra Pradesh, the closing marks or the expected cutoff score for this year can be 2021. Your safe score will be 545 plus. If you are scoring above this, you are on the safer side this year in the state of Andhra Pradesh. EWS, if you are a category of EWS, 535 plus. BCD category 520 plus, BCA 497 plus, BCB if you are, then just consider 512 plus, and BCC general 475 plus, BCE general 460 plus safe score. SC category, if you are from SC category, then the safe score for you is 428 plus, and for ST general it is 425 plus. Okay, and CAP category it should be 520 plus, at last year was 536. PH for physically balanced, the safe score will be 175 plus. So this was the expected cutoff. It doesn't mean that this will be the cutoff score for this year. You have to wait for the result. For the final result will be the merit, and from there it will be decided what will be the exact cutoff, but you can just for feeling confidence or being on a safer side, you can just consider if you are scoring above this. As the paper was tough, you know that paper was, the physics was calculative and lengthy also, the pattern was also changed. So these are the factors which will be decreasing the cutoff this year. So I think you will be feeling confidence after listening to this video. So if you like the video, subscribe also, like also, subscribe also, and share also. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you.